everyone, welcome back to Tinau. I am Asher and today we got an essential topic for all Euro Kelisa owner out there. We are going to show you how to clean your Kelisa total body for improved performances and fuel efficiency. So first thing first, what is the total body and why should you clean it? Well, the total body is a critical component in your car's engine. It controls the amount of air that enter the engine, which affect performances and efficiency. Without further ado, let's take out our total body now. So this is the tools that we use to clean our total body cleaner. And also we will use the petrol as well to make it more clean. See? All this is the carbon deposit that come out from the total body and the dirt. So we have already fixed everything back. Now let's start our engine and check is it everything running smooth. Okay, everything running smooth. So there you have it. Cleaning your Kelisa total body isn't as challenging as it may seem, and it can make a real difference in your car's performances and efficiency. Remember to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow Kelisa owners, and don't forget to subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching everyone. If you have any question or want to share your experience, feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for our next video where we will dive into more car maintenance insight. Until then, drive safe. Bye bye.